Do you have an image you like, but it looks mushy like a dream formed in water? You need to upscale it to a higher resolution. Instead of using the upscale mode, go to image size and make it pretty big, somewhere between 1500 and 2000 pixels on the longest side if your system can handle it. Just keep the numbers divisible by 8. Make sure the chain link icon is checked to keep the aspect ratio the same. Now, in generate mode, set the strength to about 40 or 45%. This will refine the image at a higher resolution to add detail. Apply the refined upscale and refine it again to make it better if you want. Some parts with a lot of detail like the face may still look off even after upscale if they only take up a small portion of the image. Select just that part of the image. In the settings next to the Generate and Refine button, set the scale up a bit and hit Refine again. This will refine the selected part of the image at a higher resolution. Now you have an image so sharp it almost looks like it wasn't just a dream.
Moons of Jupiter.
What is it you are referring to when you say awareness?